Doja, quit doing that on my camera! Hey y'all, I'm back. I didn't know what I was gonna film this week, but I ran across this recipe on Instagram. I'll actually put a little clip of it in here so that you can see, but it is for lemon crusted chicken with pasta. I'm actually gonna make it for you. I'm not really gonna talk throughout my video. I'm just gonna record it. We'll see how this turns out. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I see you guys subscribing. I really do appreciate the support. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers, so share, comment, help me get that engagement up on these videos. I'm really happy to film this for you because a few of you have actually asked me to record a cooking video, so I guess this is my attempt at that. This is now my 4th video. Each video has been kind of a different style. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. I'm doing that on purpose because I actually want to see what you guys like. You guys are watching. I see that my views are going up. Let's have fun. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'm gonna do this chicken today. I hope that it turns out good. We'll see about that. I hope you guys enjoy this. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.
Today, for a little dinner idea, we're making creamy lemon pasta with lemon crusted chicken. We're going to begin by cutting our chicken breast in half, and then we're going to wrap it in plastic wrap and pound it down. It's going to help tenderize it as well as help the chicken cook evenly. Now it's time to prepare our coating. I'll have everything displayed on the screen for you guys, but we're basically going to take our thinly sliced chicken and dip it into our flour, our egg mixture, and then into our panko. We're going to fry our chicken breast in about 1 inch of oil just to give it color, so on medium heat for about 2 minutes on each side, and then we're going to pop it in the oven at 400 for about 8 to 10 minutes to finish cooking. Here I am sauteing our onion, garlic, and red pepper flakes for about 2 minutes on medium heat, and then we're going to add in our lemon zest and lemon juice and let that chill for another 2 minutes. Now it's time to add in your half and half, but make sure it's warm before you add it in because the acid from the lemon juice can cause your sauce to curdle, and we don't want that to happen. Let your sauce simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to add in your Parmesan cheese, your seasonings, and your parsley. Add in your cooked pasta as well as a half a cup of pasta water, and continue to let your sauce simmer until you're happy with the thickness of your sauce, and you're done.
I'm done. I fucked up a few things. One, I was supposed to save some leftover pasta water so that I can add to the sauce whenever I was making it, but I forgot to save the water. My sauce is a little dry. The recipe said you're supposed to simmer the half and half before you mix it with like the sauteed onions and the butter to start making the sauce. So I let it simmer. I thought it was warm, but it must not have been because it curdled. And I guess it does this because of the lemon. Oh, that's what the girl on the little video said. It looks kind of crazy. This is what it looks like. The chicken actually is really crispy. The pasta though, it has a good flavor. I tasted it, but it's just not very like saucy. So that's my bad. Also, whenever I put it in the bowl, I squeeze lemon on it. It tastes pretty good with the chicken, actually. Like, it tastes good. I just think that if I make this again, I need to make the pasta more of like a sauce. But the flavor's good. Doja, are you mad because you can't get out? Jump. She's rude. Oh. Hi. Are you pissed because you can't get out? Look. Look. Say hi. Wave your little paw. This took me like 3.5 hours to make. I started this at like 7. And it's like almost 11. It's like 10 something. So I don't know if I like the cooking videos because that's a full-time job. To make cooking videos, that's hard. But I think to edit it, it'll be easy. So maybe it's like it balances out. I don't know. I hate that whenever I wear my glasses, you can see the stupid ring light. Doja, quit doing that on my camera. She's sick. Bon appetit. Doja, quit licking that puss. I just washed these motherfucking sheets. Yes! Hey! Quit. Sicko. I like that it has the chili flakes and chili powder because it kind of gives it a little kick. It's honestly pretty bomb. Next time I'm going to use fettuccine noodles. I'm going to make the sauce more of a sauce. And I'm going to season the chicken more. I followed the actual recipe. I didn't start adding like more seasonings or more of my own seasonings until I started making the sauce. And then I added like some Creole seasoning. I added like more pepper. I added garlic powder. I added onion powder. Really crispy, but it just needs more seasoning. So next time I'll season the chicken way more and then I'll just have it a little bit more saucy. If you follow me on Snapchat, you probably see like a lot of my meals and stuff. That's where I got the request to make a cooking video was on Snapchat. Why am I always eating on camera too? That's like 2 out of 4. Half of my videos I'm eating. Welcome to my life. I know what I'm gonna do next time. If I make it again, I'll make an updated video and I'll actually show you how that one turns out. But I am gonna leave the recipe, so if you wanna make it, you can let me know how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out better than mine. And make sure you guys let me know what you wanna see next. If you have any recommendations, follow, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.